What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curtybo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. Y'all already know I had to come with some more sauce, man. I've been getting requested about this video. So the video is finally here, man. But today in this video, I'm about to be showing y'all basically how I make music off of my iPhone XR, man. No cap is gonna be said in this video. I'm about to give y'all my whole setup, everything I use from my headphones to the phone, man. Now, we about to hit 2,000 subscribers, man. So I want y'all to smash that subscribe button and like the video because, you know, I'm going crazy. And comment if you want to see some more videos like these. I always appreciate video suggestions. So, hey, whatever works, man. Keep in mind that this video will only work for iPhones. I know I said iPhone XR, but this will work for the iPhone SE and up. So let's get into the video, man. My setup. So basically what I use is a double-sided headphone. You can use the all whites. I used to use the all whites, but I don't know. I used to use the all whites too much, the all white headphones. And I used to boom them in my ear on accident, and I accidentally caught tinnitus. I know that's a little off topic, but this is just a warning. I want y'all to be safe and careful on how loud you booming it, man. So if you're using the white headphones, I want you to be safe on how loud you having them. But I do suggest the double-sided headphones, man. Hey, this right here is my adapter, and basically what this does, it helps me connect to my iPhone because it don't got that that hole in it like it used to be on the 6 and the 7, I believe. But I found this at DD's, but you can probably find this, you can most definitely actually find this off a website for cheap. They probably go for around like $12, $8, but you're going to definitely need this if you have a iPhone that's above the 8, I think it is. But yeah, the apps I use. Okay, now that we're here, I'm about to show y'all my top 3 recording apps that I use to record bangers on the iPhone, man. So we about to go from my first favorite app to my least favorite. Now, all apps are good in their own way. I am no way trying to have these apps compete. You feel me? Everything got its own sauce. But for my number 1 is GarageBand. And that is because it's like dope. It just got a lot of features, a lot of effects on there you can mess around with. And it's a lot simple and more professional, I guess. For my second one, I got Bandlab. Bandlab, it's almost like GarageBand, but it's not all the way there. But it's also like a really good app to record on. So, hey, that's a good app to use. And Veloco, I put that last, but it is also a very good app. It's just that I'm just not really as familiar with this app, so I don't be on it that much. But Veloco overall is a really good app. I will be getting into more videos of those later, you know, but those videos will come soon. But that is my top 3 apps that I advise you to look into if you are recording off the iPhone. But that is the end of the video, man. Hopefully y'all like that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I was just showing y'all what I use to record. If y'all want to see how I actually record, hey, comment down below if y'all want to see me use this setup. And I actually got some videos using this setup already in my past videos, so go check those out, man. We doing views daily. We getting views, man. I ain't gonna lie. I love the support. We going crazy. We about to hit 2,000 subscribers, man. So, hey, let's keep applying pressure. You already know the vibes, man. But, hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curtybo in this thing. Curtybo out. Peace.